Hey faves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making sardine bread rolls. And trust me, it's easy. You can see the video, it's not long, it's a quick one. So if you're mixing by hands, just prep your wet ingredients separate and then the dry ingredients separate. So I'm going to be dropping all the ingredients in the description box below for reference. So just mix that up separately and then add together, mix together with your hands to form a dough. Now onto the dough, we're going to knead this dough till it's stretchy. Kneading is very important, yes. So after kneading, I'm just going to roll it out as you see in the video, and then I'll cut the edges to give it that neat look. And then this is our sardine. So I'll be using one thing for this recipe. So just mash that with your spoon and then add to your rolled dough. Roll that up. Just make sure it's sealed properly, then cut. Now transfer this to your baking tray. Now at this point, we're going to cover and allow it proof for an hour. So after an hour, I brushed with milk and I'll pop this into the oven to bake. And this is it. It's nice, it's brown. Don't mind me, I left my own too long. So just try to monitor your bread and make sure it's nice and done. So this is what it looks like, a close-up of what the bread looks like. It's so simple. Let me know if you'll be trying.